So when you enter into a lease, whether you're the landlord or the tenant, one of the things that you need to be really careful on and really understand is what security is being provided by the tenant. And this is security to make sure that if the tenant defaults under the lease, that the landlord's got somewhere to go to try and recover some money. So normally there'll be a bond or a bank guarantee where we actually hold on to some money, usually 3 to 6 months of the year's rent. That where the landlord holds on to that, and just in case the tenant defaults. Another form of security can be a personal guarantee. So if a company is a tenant, you might want to get a personal guarantee from the directors of that company to make sure that that debt is paid. And so the question comes, how can they actually use that security? How can the landlord use that security? And it really, if it's cash, then they can take the cash straight away and apply it to the default of the tenant. If it's a bank guarantee, they can go to the bank and get the money back from the bank. And if it's a personal guarantee, they can sue the director for that money. So there are different ways to do it. Obviously, if you're a landlord, cash is a great way to have instant security. So if a tenant doesn't pay their rent straight away, then you can immediately take that money. So you got to make sure that you understand how that security can be used, because it becomes a very important discussion when you're putting together a lease to make sure that the right security is there and the landlord and tenant understand exactly what can happen with that security if the tenant defaults. So if that's a question that you've got, if you're wondering about that, whether you're entering into a lease as a landlord or a tenant, we help both sides of the fence in those and are happy to help you with that at NPR Law. So have a great day and just contact us either in the message below or send us a message. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks very much.